Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to discuss how to activate Windows 10 without any delay. First, go to the search box and type Run. Click on Run and type regedit in the dialog box. Click OK. Next, go to HKey Local Machine, then System, then Current Control Set, then Services. Look for SVSVC. And change the value data to 4. Click OK. After that, reset your PC and your problem should be solved. It's important to note that this method is not legal or ethical. Activating Windows without a valid license is a violation of Microsoft's terms of use. It is recommended to purchase a legitimate license key to activate Windows 10. This ensures that you receive security updates and technical support from Microsoft. Thank you for watching, and I hope this video was helpful to you. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.